Hi, today we're going to talk about an abrasive cutting head. So this will be the first of several videos that go over troubleshooting, maintaining, and just basic components of the cutting head. So today we're going to start with just going over what each component is called and maybe a basic description and function that it serves. So starting at the top, we're going to start with the actuator. The actuator is a pneumatic valve that controls whether the cutting head is on or off. It moves up and down on a cylinder on the inside, which controls the needle and the seat. This is a series of components that close the water flow or open for the water to pass through. This is how a closed needle and seat would look. The needle and the seat sit inside of the valve body, which is this section here. In a lot of applications, this is how we also attach the cutting head to the Z carriage. We can go over that in the next video. This section here would be the adapter. So this is changing from the high pressure now into the cutting head. The adapter serves a couple of purposes. It holds the seat and it also adapts or attaches to the abrasive body. Then we go from the abrasive body to the orifice. The orifice sits on top of the abrasive body in the cutout in the abrasive body. After we go through the orifice, we come to our mixing chamber. The mixing chamber is where the abrasive enters into our water jet stream. If you look at the top, it has a small hole, which is the inlet side of the mixing chamber. On this side here is a wider flute version of the inlet, and this is where the abrasive passes through. Both water and abrasive come out the outside, or the bottom side. Once we go through the mixing chamber, we end up at the top end of the nozzle. The nozzle vary in size, as do the orifice, based on cutting parameters, speed, material thickness, and pump capability. So the water and the abrasive enter in the wide side of the nozzle and exit out the small side. The small side vary from 20 thousandths up to 40 thousandths, and we can go over that next. This ring here is a retaining clip that holds the nozzle in position on the inside of the nozzle nut. So when assembled, would look something like this, and the ring is what holds that nozzle in position. The nozzle attaches to the abrasive body, which sets that distance. So those are the basic components of an abrasive water jet cutting head.